Finally, the Biafra Liberation Army commander, wey they call Holyghost, the guy don't provoke, he don't come outside. Say the people where they talk say make him show him face. He don't show him face. Tell them say if you are those people who are doing evil, he say make you prepare to buy you. He say him face na masquerade. As he don't come outside, he say many people go buy for the matter. I'm going to play you the video quickly, but you get waiting one talk for the end of this video. Please try to watch them to the end. Just stay tuned and watch the video.
Well. For those of you who have been eager to see my face, I told you when you see my face, you will die. The only people that will see my face and survive are those whose hands are clean, the good-hearted Biafrans. But if you are the enemies of Biafra, I will advise you to cover your face because this face is dead to you. You see this face as you are seeing, so you are a dead person. If you are enemy of Biafra, no two ways about that. Today is a wonderful day. It's a great day. I say I will not wait till December, as I promise you that you will see my face on December. And then I decided to show you my face. That before December, you will be already a dead person. Yes, that is why I told you that you are a dead person already. As an enemy of Biafra, before December, you are gone. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. We are too great to be stopped by a mere mortal like you. We are too great to be stopped by a mere mortal like you. Okay? We are immortal. And when you see us saying to you that we were prepared before coming, we are not joking. Wonderful peoples of Biafra, today is a laughing day. Anyway, you see, as I'm smiling, I'm smiling because he was smiling. He was smiling. Yesterday, DPO John Fence. DPO, the whole DPO John Fence. And then the question was, DPO, why do you jump fence? DPO jump fence. DPO that vow with his life that is going to protect the slave master, jump fence. Why? DPO, why? Why do you jump fence? DPO jump fence. You know, one funny thing about us is that he will tell you what is about to happen, so that you begin to prepare on how to stop it, which we know that you can't stop it. You can't stop it. But your mind will tell you that you can stop it. Your mind will deceive you. Your slave master will deceive you. They know you are the one to die. They know that it is your family that will suffer. But they will convince you to go forward. Move. Move forward. Move forward. And you'll be stupidly carry yourself and come and put for electric fire. We are the electric fire. The naked fire that will never pity you. We will shock you to your last breath. Those who are pushing you forward will not be there to deliver you, will not be there to save you, will not be there with you. And when you are gone, they will fuck your wife. They will chop your salary. You die for nothing. Because as long as you are defending the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, you will die for nothing. Nobody will remember you. Tell them, shall you see my face? It is an ex-military. You know me, I know you. Am I a new person to you? But I am your death. Yes. And when I tell you that thing you think say you know, we know more than you. You don't know us, but we know you. You can't see us, but we see you. We are defending the land of Biafra, and we will defend this life with all costs. Nothing you can do about it. Go and ask Hope. Hope make mouth. Hope make mouth. Sholu don't make mouth. Hope make mouth. General Butuzo is just a small man, a small general, but it is mighty. Go and do finding. He's the one in charge of the whole Biafra army in Biafra land. You cannot destroy him, and you cannot destroy him boys. You just learn work. And so when I Hope make mouth, I was like laughing at Hope. He said, you don't know what you are talking about. Wait until what you are smoking get into you. And then I can see ask Hope. Now you see my face. Hope Alpha. You see, nobody could have died if you wake up and say, Nigeria, organize referendum, let's discuss the faith. Everybody go their way without dying. But you say no. Tunumbu, I will not say may you stop your madness. Okay? But I will always tell you that your DPO jump fence. Why did your DPO jump fence? Your army are dying in numbers. It is just 8 days. A long 23 days is still remaining. We never start. And again, I want to advise your newsmen, all the newsmen. Let me advise your newsmen. You know, when you say unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself and you are deceiving the world at the same time. Whenever you say unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself and you are deceiving the world. We are not unknown gunmen. We are Biafra Liberation Army. We are the foot soldier. We are not unknown gunmen. We are known gunmen. We are Biafran soldier. The liberation soldier. The angel of Chukwugika Abiyama. Whom Chukwugika Abiyama have sent that we might deliver his people from the darkness of the zoo. And so when you are using the word unknown gunmen, you are deceiving yourself. You know us. You know who are doing the thing. And now, for those of you who have been coming, show your face now, you bastard. Show your face now. Now you see my face. Look at my face, and you will not survive this month finish. You are already a dead person. Because I told you, when you see my face, you are dead as the enemies of Biafra. Idiot, do we have your time? tell you say we come to destroy the zoo. We will destroy the zoo beyond repair. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Go and consult your oracle. Go and consult your oracle. So when we say we will destroy the zoo have killed our parents, kill our father, kill our mother, kill our sister, kill our friend, kill our relative, kill our auntie, kill our aunt, kill our relative. You cannot survive us. We are coming with revenge, with anger. We are not here to romance you. We are not here to joke with you. We will destroy you. Everything in the zoo will go down. And when we say we go down, it will go down. And as the great man told you, go and look at Somalia. Somalia will be better, 100 times better than the zoo. You think it was a joke? It's not a joke. And those of you who never know that war is coming, you are very stupid, because it will carry you like erosion and you will not be able to survive. Prepare, because it's coming. It's greater than you. Every rain must fall, because Biafra must be free by fire, by force. No joke.